In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the aspect ratio on CapCut Mobile. First, go ahead and open the CapCut app on your phone. If you're on the home screen, you'll usually see options like creating a new project or opening an existing one. For changing the aspect ratio, you'll want to start by creating a new project or choosing a project you've already started. Tap on New Project, then select the video clips or photos you want to edit, and confirm to enter the main editing timeline. Once you're inside the project, you'll see your video in the preview area at the top, and the timeline with your clips along the bottom. What we're looking for now is the option to adjust the aspect ratio of the entire project. On CapCut Mobile, this is normally found in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen, right above the timeline, along with other tools like Edit, Audio, Text, and more. Swipe along that toolbar if you don't see the option right away, and look for the one labeled Format or Canvas, depending on your version of the app. Tap on that. This will open up a panel where you can choose from different aspect ratio presets. These presets are really useful because they match common formats for social media and different devices. Here, you'll see options like 9:16 for vertical videos, which is perfect for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. You might also see 16.9 for standard YouTube widescreen, 1.1 for square videos, and sometimes 4.5 or 3.4, which work well for certain feeds and posts. Simply tap on the ratio that matches where you plan to upload your video. When you do, you'll notice the preview area instantly adjusts to that new shape. After changing the aspect ratio, check your video in the preview. You might see black bars or parts of your clip getting cropped, depending on how it was originally filmed. You can fix this by pinching to zoom or dragging the video in the preview frame to reposition it. Take a moment to scroll through your timeline and make sure every important subject stays within the visible area. When you're happy with how everything looks, you're done with the aspect ratio change. From here, you can continue editing as usual, or export your video knowing it's now perfectly sized for the platform you chose.